Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to work on a Lawrence Peabody for Selig Lounge Chair. Come to the shop and take a look. We always start by taking off the old straps and all the staples. These will get all changed out at the end of the process, so stay tuned. It's always ideal to remove every staple so you don't get your hand later in the process when you're sanding or staining the piece. Here we go, it's time to do some stripping. We are going to use a liquid-based stripper on this one instead of the gel. On chairs, it's much easier to get in all the crevices to remove the paint more efficiently. Look how easy the paint is coming off right here. This liquid-based stripper has some pros and cons. Pros would be that it removes the paint much quicker than the gel with almost no wait time, which means you could strip more pieces and be more productive on your day of work. And the liquid stripper will actually last longer than the gel stripper, meaning you can get more pieces done per gallon. The con would be that you have to wear much better PPE, personal protective equipment, when doing this, because the stripper will get all over the place, splatter, and could get in your eyes or on your skin. Take a look at those gloves that we have to wear. Alright, it's time to pull out the Makita sander and let's get going. We are using a 150 grit sandpaper to get the initial sanding started on this piece. I like to do an initial sanding that'll show all the imperfections that will need to get repaired in the next step. Alright, it's time to get some stain on this chair. Let's go. A lot of these Selig chairs are made out of teak and they don't need any stain. But this chair is made out of solid beech, which will need a stain to get the thing going. Beech doesn't stain very well, so we use this as an initial color, and we will tint it later down in the process in the spray booth. As you notice, I'm staining every edge of this piece. We don't cut any corners here at Refinishing. Check it out right here. We remove all the hardware on this chair and we will stain in those holes to make sure we get the best finish possible. Alright, we're just about done. Let's get ready and get this last piece into the spray booth. After 24 hours of drying, here we go. Here we are laying down the first few coats of sealer on this chair. If you want a higher end finish, learn how to hang all of your pieces when you spray. This will ensure that you get sealer on every edge of the piece. Alright, we switched guns out and now we're doing some toning. Check this out. just like that, we're done. Let's get it assembled. I only reassemble with hand tools only. This ensures you don't have a slip up with your power tool and ruin your finished piece. With these Danish chairs, they have a lock and pin type mechanism that holds the chair together. You can see that I'm aligning and checking the depth of all the screws before tapping it in with the mallet. Once all the pins are knocked in, this chair is a very strong chair to sit in. As promised, here are the new straps going in on the seat base. So after about 10 hours of labor, it went from this to this. What do you think of this restoration? If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.